because they got it. And so God is trying to teach you something. He's trying to take you through the process. You know, the book of James says, count it all joy when you go into trials and temptations, because those trials and temptations will test your faith. It will test your patience. And patience is a virtue. And so you need to keep having faith and keep holding on. Now, faith is the substance of things hoped for, the evidence of things not seen. And that is why you always need to have hope and you always need to have faith. Have faith in God. That even though you don't see, even though you cannot see what you want or you cannot see where you're going, you still believe in God. You still trust in Him. You still trust in His guidance and His providence. That if He says it, He's going to do it. You know, faith, with faith comes hope. You know, when you have hope, then you can have faith in God. And so have hope that whatever you're going through would have an end. Whatever you're going through is not going to be the end of you. And so you're not behind. You're where you have to be. You're where you need to be.